I find players that want to run, want to fight for the team. I don't want stars. I want that the star gonna be the team.
Ya, saya mau katanya pemain yang bisa lari untuk tim. Saya tidak mau cuma sekedar nama bintang saja. Saya mau tim itu adalah bintangnya.
You wanna see the players already are friends. The players know when they must come. So when they arrive, when everything, medical tests, everything are okay, the club gonna introduce the players for you. But you can continue with the rumors because they are very good.
Ya, kalian akan lihat nanti pada saat mereka tidur di sini, kalian akan tahu. Katanya. Tapi kalian bisa lanjutkan rumor-rumornya kalian di setiap koran-koran kalian.
Always we look for good players. Always the team are looking for good players. The number of the squad, it's not close, it's not open. If we see a good player, we want the good player always.
Selalu kita mau cari, tujuan kita adalah memang mencoba mencari pemain-pemain bagus yang dibutuhkan oleh coach. Skuad katanya belum tertutup, belum dikunci. Jadi ya, kalau misalnya ada pemain yang memang saya pikir bahwa memang kita butuhkan dan bisa membantu, saya pikir kita ambil.
Nixon, I was thinking that you want to that I bring Cristiano Ronaldo. Why Nixon? Good rumor. Coach want Cristiano Ronaldo or coach want Messi. Why Nixon? Cristiano Ronaldo better.
Cristiano Ronaldo saja katanya. Kenapa Nixon?
Siap. Oke, ini.